Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Spigen Premium Tempered Glass for iPad 9.7 and iPad Pro 9.7. This is a 9H strong surface rounded edges tempered glass that is very useful for your protection of your iPad 9.7 inch. I have got this from Amazon, and if you would like to know the details, then you have to buy it from Shop USA to India seller from Amazon India. And if you are buying from Amazon.com, then you will be easy for you to buy it, because in India this particular product is not been sold by the Spigen. So this is a X2, means 2-pack version. So I have two glass inside this box, and as you can see, it is well packed, like it is totally sealed with polythene now. And some of the features we would like to discuss here, like this has the whole transparency, oleophobic coating is here, real glass, perfect adhesion, surface hardness, and delicate touch. So the touch surface won't be affected. You will be feeling good feedback from the touch. I will show you a sample here. I have already installed the same quality Spigen Glass TR Slim on my iPhone 8. So as you can see here, this is my iPhone 8 and I have installed already the tempered glass. As you can see here, this is the difference of the rounded edges. I will show you. See, sometimes you install glasses from outside, so when you install the Spigen one, just swipe your finger out from in here. When you do this, you will find here the edges are very smooth. Then this is the technology of the rounded borders with anti-chipping. So from here it will not anti-chip anytime. So the feel is really nice, as you can see here, and whatever you click, it works really fine. Also, it doesn't hampers if you have 3D touch, and this Spigen glass is available for all of your iPhone and devices, also for your iPads. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up and install it on my iPad Pro. So as you can see, my friends, I have the device here. So let's open this up. We'll be tearing off the seal. So we need to tear it from one side. As you can see, it's opened up, and we will slide slowly because. So here we go. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, we have another seal right here. As you can see here, there is another seal here. You need to open this up really carefully because okay, it's really hard. It's done. Just push it aside, and now it is open. As you can see here, there is a small tab here. You need to cut this off. Yes, so it's done now. So same as usual, we get some cleaning wipes and dust removal stickers with alcohol wipes, and we get this information, like if you have some air bubbles side, then there is any problem with the product, then this is not a problem. Because what happens, some of the device, please be noticed that due to rounded shape of devices screen, the protector may be smaller than the actual device screen or have unwanted bubbling and lifting up around the edges. So this happens once in a while. As you can see on my iPhone 8, we don't have any bubbles around the edges, so we don't, rest assured, you won't worry about your phone. It happens in, I think, 1 in 100. So this is a welcome kit, how to use a manual, how to install it and everything. So if you have installed this earlier, then you will be well aware how to do it. So we get two glass as promised. This is the one, and this is the second one. So today what we will do, first I will bring my iPad here and we will install it. If you had been seeing my channel, then you would be well known about this Apple iPad smart cover I have installed here. So we need to remove all this cover now, on the back. We need to remove all this because if you don't remove it, it will be very difficult to install the tempered glass. So all set here, my friends. As you can see here, this is the tempered glass, and we get a very nice thing to install it. Like this part is your home button, and this part is you're getting the cutout for your camera. So we get here two wings so that to easily set it up on the display, so it will be easier for you to install it. This is what Spigen does. The company is very practical. I love it. So why wait, let's tear up the old screen protector. That's a film, that's not a tempered glass. We'll open it out and then we'll clean it and we'll do all the process. Just a little nail inside the film and it comes off. And be really careful now, because when you remove this film, the screen will be already clean. You don't need to do a lot of here and there tear off. So be very careful and remove it so that no dust falls on the display. And don't also touch it because you will leave your fingerprints here. Really carefully. Okay, it's done. So first of all, we will use the alcohol wipes to wipe it out. So as you can see here, I have an alcohol wipe here. So we will use this to swipe it off any dust materials, oils. Just a quick tap. Be very careful and put it inside the packet again so that if you need you can use it again, because it doesn't dries off that fast. Okay, so we have a microfiber cloth here to clean it, swipe it off. Just hold it steady. You can go anywhere, side to sides or left to right, like that. Make sure to remove all the dust very carefully. Don't leave any residue on top of it. If also stays, then don't worry about it, because we will use the sticker matter to remove all the dust. Now we have taken out. So we will be checking out on the reflection for any dust materials here. There is no dust particles here. So let me quickly swap with this sticker. As you can see here, we have already cleaned it up. Now you need to check it out for any last checkup, because if there is a dust particle in here, then that will be a problem later on. So if the sticky is not working now, you can change it and take out another one. I have a lot of stickers like that with me, so do keep in mind to keep some of stickers extra for later on uses. So I will go ahead and give another swipe. So as you can see here, the surface is totally clean now. Now we will go ahead and remove the tempered glass and install it. So you need to remember one thing, friends. So while you install the tempered glass, always remove the peel off from the tempered glass facing downwards, so it will not allow any dust particles to get inside the screen protector. So this is the skin protector, so I will be removing like this from below. I don't want to put it on top of my display now, because the display is super clean, and I don't want to hamper any kind of dust materials inside the display. Since it's a very big display, I have to take care of a lot of dust particles, So make sure to wash your hands and clean the desk before you do it, or else later on you will face problems, or you feel like the display is not clear like that. Okay, so now we will go ahead. So here we go. Just align the home button with the uh, front camera and be really careful about it and make sure it's totally straight, or else you will not get a good perfect finish. I keep my device very careful about this. I take care of a lot. So as you can see, it has already adhered automatically. I think there is a dust particle here, so it couldn't adhere here. So I need to pull it out. That is the only issue I found out here. Don't worry about it, my friends. I can check it out if there is an issue. Yes, there is an issue here. We will just pull it from left side and push it away, so it will automatically get corrected. Don't worry about it. So let me take that issue out. So as you can see, I have removed that dust particle from here. Now we will peel off this top cover. So as you can see, it is all done. So there are some small spaces where it hasn't adhered. So what you need to do, use this microfiber cloth and push the air out like this. Just push it out through the camera hole and it will adhere. So now just a big swipe on top of the whole tempered glass. Okay, be really careful about all the places. And since it is a white, it is easier to know any dust particles here. So we are done here. Let's start it up. So as you can see, the feel is really nice and the touch is really nice. I feel it very faster than earlier, and I feel like the real glass. It is a real glass, it's not plastic, let me confirm you. So we will open some white space here. Like, see, it's totally clear here, as you can see here. I don't find any kind of dust particles inside here, so it's a good thing. Thank you, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts about this product, I will be very happy to answer you. Do comments below. Goodbye.